If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey folks, Larry here, and welcome for another mail call. This is fresh right off the espresso line of vanilla latte. So anyway, no, this is fresh. Just came in today. We got 2 boxes, and today we're going to open up and show you what's inside. And special thank you to Dan Rosenberry and his lovely wife. So here we go with Curiosity Kills the Cat and Welcome to the Dark Side. Yes. Well, is everybody getting ready for a trick or treat? Smell my feet, give me something good to eat. Right, I can dig it. So, now tomorrow I will be doing probably another review on Galleon's leather. Then I've got Yorkshires to do. I've got some rainbow pins to do. Conklin. I've got a lot, don't I? Yeah. So, enough to keep me busy for another, what, 2 weeks? 3 weeks? So here we go. Alright, see, what Dan and I have in common, besides being pin freaks, pin geeks, whatever you want to call it, is that we're on the same page. Why? We love squirrels. Now, where Dan lives in Illinois, he has a flying squirrel. And where I live here in Texas, I have the regular squirrels. And what I didn't know that Dan taught me is that when you want to feed the squirrels, you can always give them peanut butter. And he puts it on the trees. And those flying squirrels know the time when to come and eat. And they're ready, and they come and eat. And pretty much Dan's and his wife are pretty much friends with them. And that's pretty cool. How much trust the animals have for humans. That's something that the humans need to learn from animals. How to trust, how to work with each other, not fight with each other. So here we go. And this is a secret letter. Ta-da! Secret! Ta-da! And I'll tell you the story behind this one in a minute. Very interesting. Mr. Announcer and I were talking about that earlier. I can use that when I send something. Now, it here in this bag Kathleen made cookies. Cookies and cookies and cookies. Here's 1, 2 chocolate chip. 3, 4, 5, a bunch of cookies. Bunch. And thank you very much, Kathleen. Appreciate that. And you know, we'll put these to good use. Mr. Announcer, time to indulge. We'll be back for another video when we get through with this. We got to invite Sam over too. And again, let me say, this is from Liz, my other pen buddy. She sent me that. We were thinking about putting it outside, but no, we don't want it to get weather rot. Because I bet you Sam would be on here eating. What do you bet?
Oh, probably so.
Because Sam is so fat now, for real. We'll put out food for them 8 in the morning maybe. at 12 o'clock he's still there eating. Like today he had some grapes, didn't share. Then he had some squirrel feed, didn't share. So then he's going to have some walnuts. So, but that's why he's so fat. All right, now, it doesn't make any difference how many times you clean up this room, right? Look at it. I just did it. Yes, it is. All right. And we have another box. Oh! Oh! In this box, again, is from Dan. Again. Because the first box that came in that I did mail call, for those who watched the mail call, I think didn't show it the first time, but it was broken. So Dan, with all his wisdom and glory, had that exchange, or had, I think, eBay, whoever, take care of the damage, and they sent another one. So, dun 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 dun, dun 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 dun. All right. Well, today was the first day that I actually got out of the house and went to Starbucks. Didn't stay long, but long enough to get out of the house, enjoy myself. Here we go, Mr. Announcer. Here we go. Are y'all ready for this? Here we go. Hagala, hagala, hagala. Oh, blah. Here we go. So, do I feel pretty good today? You know, I feel decent. But with my situation that I have to really get in here and devil up on the fight game, because if not, it'll eat me up. Here, look at it. Isn't this beautiful? Look at that. Now, mister, look at that. Y'all know what this is? Do you know what it is, Mr. Announcer?
Yes, I do.
Tell them, share.
Well, it could be several things, but I think we're going to use it as a cookie jar.
And that's what it is, a cookie jar. Very good. Sam can live there, the flying squirrels can live there, their families. Unless Sam beats them. Are you
Okay.
going to open it up?
Yeah, open it up and show what's inside.
No, the cookies are in here.
Okay.
Do you know what's in there?
Well, I think I do.
And you're not going to share, right?
No.
Well, thank you, Dan. Dan, remember that coffee cake I was going to send you? Now you ain't going to get it. How you like that? Now, Catherine's going to get it, but not you. Or the squirrels. Okay. Don't break it.
I'm not.
There is nothing else in here.
You're not looking.
Oh! Look at that! I'll be darned. Sam's cousin. Wow. Isn't that beautiful? That is freaking gorgeous! It's the new zoo review coming right at you. Wow. Look at all this trash now on the table. And this table was perfectly cleaned off, floors, everything, and it's right back where it started from. Speaking of fountain pens, I love the Jinhao 159. I love the thickness, the girth, the bulkiness. I love the clip. So, and there are some folks that, you know, I don't like that, I don't like that. Well, that's okay because I love them. As long as it writes smooth, not scratchy and wet, I'm in. So, Mr. Tony Russick, how are you doing, Tony? Out there, Tony be out there like jamming, you know. He be out there like digging the scene with the gangster lean. Come on now. Dun, 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 dun. Well, that's it. Isn't that beautiful? Now, I have some more squirrels that Dan sent me. I think they're up there. Then I've got some in the bedroom. Oh, I got some in the above the fireplace, don't we?
Yes, there are some on the mantle.
Yeah, so look at the little baby. Oh, so precious little babies. Oh, sweet babies. Look. Today, when we're going to Starbucks, you have to go slow in the neighborhood, which I do because we have a lot of squirrels. You know how squirrels are. I'm going real slow. Here comes the squirrel. He didn't care. He just kept going. So you have to be careful not to run over them. So, well, I wonder when Mr. and Miss Duck's coming.
Oh, they'll be here about March, a little late in March.
Yeah. Now, when we put foot out this morning, the crows are all here. And when the crows start, quack, 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 tell all their friends, here comes everybody. Then here comes the squirrels, and here comes Sam, Piggo. Yep, he doesn't like to share food at all. So, that's going to do it for today. And, let's see. I'm going to have to get with Mike Green, custom pen maker, because he's got a whole new line of stuff of pens he's made. And I've been missing his call because my phone doesn't ring. If I don't have my phone with me physically on my lap or somewhere I can see the screen, that way I know somebody's calling. So why don't I get another phone? It's called, that ain't gonna happen. And today what went out? The
Garbage disposal.
And the dryer is going,
Dishwasher's
going out. We just had to replace a water heater. Anything else we're missing?
The water heater did damage part of our flooring.
Oh, yes. It did damage like a whole shunk. Yep. And so now we're talking about $8, $9, $10, I don't know, $1,200, $1,300, $1,450. So anyway, so I got to get with Mike. And who else on this? Here's my last wish. When I finally hit the road, bite the dust. Another one bite the dust off. Well, another one here. I want everybody to kick it back and have a Starbucks day. How's that? He's over there laughing like a fool. So anyway, well, okay, so we got Francisco, coming on soon. And then we'll have Jim's wife coming on soon. And then we'll have Rafe, I think that's Francisco's brother, coming on soon. A lot of coming on soon. And then I'm working on a person that does journaling, a left-handed writer as well. There's a few more things I'm working on, but I tend to forget a lot what's going on and where I put things. Memory is not what it used to be, but that's for another day. But anyway, what else? If I'm missing anything else?
I think you covered it.
We're going to be working on some Halloween videos starring Mike Green. And who else? The Heinz Company, all them. And Galen from Galen's Leather Company. We'll have him on. Well, they're going to be in the, what do you call them, Jib Jab cartoons or whatever.
Jib Jab, yes.
Yeah. That's going to be interesting. I'm sure I'm missing somebody on it.
That's the only ones I'm familiar with that you've mentioned.
So, JDs. Let me clarify one thing. There are two types of JDs right now. The JDs, the original JDs, had the original label when it came out, because there's another one that has like a tiger on it, it smells okay, but it's not original. So if you're a JD snuffer, you can get either one, but the real JD's has the real JD's logo on it. And they are expensive, like the little bottles I bought, I don't know, 10 bucks, 12 bucks. British sterling, English leather, brute, high karate, one of Mr. Announcer's favorite. And then a buddy of mine was telling me that he also liked canoe. Did I say it right this time? Yes, I did. So, canoe. So those were some of my favorite. And back in the day, I like I like it now, the English leather bar on a soap. They had that. Very awesome, very cool. We're going to be talking nostalgia for a little bit. So sit back, kick back, don't worry. You're not going nowhere. What else? Dun, dun, dun. So I think that was all the bars of soap for that. So, hey, if you ever want to talk nostalgia, give me a holler and we can find something to talk about. I want to leave you with this thought, though. Back in the 50s, 60s, I think till about maybe the 70s, not sure. Remember the old-fashioned paper route with the boys or the girls or whoever used to go walking, throwing papers or on their bikes. And they also had car routes. And then the manager would also help with the car routes. And then remember how we used to go collecting house to house. So that's how we made our money. But, nowadays you can't do that because of all the violence. You get killed, robbed, or whatever. But kind of think about that for a while. See, we had the Fort Worth Star-Telegram and the Fort Worth Press here. But kind of think about that. When did it start disappearing? Everything's starting to change. Like Bob Dylan's old song said, times are changing, and see where it leads to. When things are done, I've noticed they're not done all instantaneously. Maybe they don't want people to feel the change coming on so quickly. I don't know. But it's here, and the change has started. But then I think politicians would call this progress, call this for the good, where the city is getting more jobs for people, making more money, expanding, which is good, good, good. But all I can say, I don't see any good out of this, because all I've seen here is killing, 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 killing every week now, which we never have. And what are you laughing for at me? Are you a creep? Oh, I'm talking to the squirrel. See, he's hugging that nut. Yeah. So anyway, gotta give that some thought and leave your comments. Be civil. Well, I think it's time for me to go eat some cake. What do you think, Mr. Nutt?
Sure.
I am just mortified. Okay, goodbye. Have fun. Blah, blah, blah. Later. Peace and love.